Join me as I take on the challenge to boost my savings using some clever hacks. Let's see how much I can save in just 1 month. Along the way, I'll share every strategy I use so you can apply them too and grow your savings quickly without feeling like you're constantly sacrificing. Let's be real, saving money isn't easy. A lot of us are juggling bills, rent, groceries, and life in general. Traditional savings advice often feels too rigid or overwhelming. Cut out every small treat, never eat out. That might work for a few weeks, but eventually, most people end up burned out, frustrated, and back to square one. I know what that feels like. Doing all the right things, cutting corners, skipping coffees, and still not seeing your savings grow. It can be discouraging, and it's one reason why people give up on their goals. But here's the thing. Saving doesn't have to feel like punishment. It can be smart, strategic, and even kind of fun. Instead of obsessing over every dollar, the real game changer is building habits that are sustainable. Think less about restriction and more about intention. When you save with purpose and clarity, the process becomes way more doable. One of the most useful tools? The 50/30/20 rule. That's where you divide your income like this: 50% to essentials, rent, food, bills, 30% to wants, fun stuff, hobbies, eating out, and 20% to savings. This is your future fund. It's simple, flexible, and helps you stay balanced. But the key is to make saving automatic. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account the moment your paycheck hits. Even $50 a week adds up to over $2,500 a year. Another hack I swear by: use cash for your fun money. Pull out a set amount each week, and once it's gone, it's gone. Swiping cards can be too easy. Using cash keeps you more aware of your spending. It's old school, but it works. And here's a simple habit that saved me from impulse buying: the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, I wait a full day. 9 times out of 10, I realize I don't really need it. This one trick alone has saved me hundreds. Want to make saving feel like a game? Try the 52-week savings challenge. Each week, save the dollar amount that matches the week number. Week 1 equals $1, week 2 equals $2, and so on. By the end of the year, you'll have saved $1,378. It's gradual and it builds momentum. But let's talk about the most powerful mindset shift: prioritizing needs over wants. It sounds basic, but it changes everything. When you start asking yourself, do I need this or do I just want it? You start making decisions that line up with your goals. You stop spending emotionally and start spending intentionally. This doesn't mean never treating yourself. It means learning to delay gratification and make purchases that align with what truly matters to you. It also protects you from lifestyle creep, where your spending goes up just because your income did. Instead of upgrading everything, you can put the extra money toward building wealth. Saving becomes less about depriving yourself and more about creating a life that supports your values. That's the goal. Whether you're saving for a vacation, emergency fund, or just peace of mind, being strategic and self-aware makes the process sustainable. To recap, use the 50/30/20 rule to give structure to your budget. Automate your savings to make it consistent. Switch to cash for fun spending to stay in control. Wait 24 hours before buying non-essentials. Try the 52-week challenge to keep it fun. And most importantly, prioritize needs over wants to build a mindset that supports long-term success. I'm testing all of these myself this month, and I'll be sharing my progress with you. If you've used any of these hacks or have your own go-to savings trick, drop it in the comments. Let's help each other win at this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video for more real-life money tips. Let's get saving.